Good morning to all of you. Myself Amru Pratap Singh from grade 3rd. The futures, the theme of my model is clean city, green city. The futures of green city is reduce carbons. We use electronic cars, using public transport. Next features of green city is the electronic generator are solar power. This is solar panel which convert sun energy to solar energy, electric energy. Next features of green city is more and more plantation. Last features of green city is dry waste or wet waste. Dustbin. At last, save energy, save environment, save plant and tree. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Adit Pratapsi from class 4. My school name is Euro Academy Sisaganj. I am participate in Science of Student Lead Conference. My topic is effect of friction. Friction is a force that is created when two surfaces move or trying to move against is called friction. Friction has depend on various factors. For example, we rub our palms together. We feel some warmth between them. My next example is I can rub this matchstick. You see, I can rub this matchstick. This is also example of matchstick. My third example is I written a name. And I erase it. This is also example of friction. My fourth example is I can wear this goggles. The goggles not down from this part. This is also example of friction. My fifth example is we can slow and stop the cycle with using the brake. This is also example of friction. So today's my topic is complete. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Today I will discuss about potable water and non-potable water. Do you know potable water?
No.
I will explain. Potable water free from all impurities and unfit for drinking and fit for drinking. Do you know non-potable water?
No.
I will explain. Non-potable water has impurities in it. It is unfit for it. Okay?
Okay.
There are so many methods of purifications of water. There is sedimentation and demarcation. Particle sedimentation in water. देख सकते हैं कि वाटर में अभी बहुत सारी मिट्टी वगैरह है. पार्टिकल्स सेट इन एट ए बॉटम. और थोड़ी देर के बाद जो सैंड है वो बॉटम में फ्री बैठ गई है. और नेक्स्ट है फिल्ट्रेशन. ये कॉटन है. अगर आप इसके ऊपर कोई कपड़ा रखेंगे तो पानी साफ होके नीचे आएगा. नेक्स्ट है बॉइलिंग. अगर आप किसी कंटेनर में पानी को गर्म करने रखेंगे और फिर वो भाप बनकर ऊपर आएगा और पानी के जो सारे जर्म्स है वो भी निकल.
Hello everyone, myself Shaurya Pratap. I study in grade 4 section A. Today I am going to act like a teacher and teach a concept. My topic is water and electricity. Electricity is generated by water. For electricity, hydroelectric power plants are then built. This is dam. It is built to store water in height. This water then falls on turbine. Because of the force, turbine starts moving. This is generator. Generator is connected to turbine. So when water falls on turbine, because of the force of water, turbine moves, then generator also moves. Generator is device that can convert motion into electricity. These are power lines connected to generator. Then from generator, electricity is supplied into power lines. From power lines, it is supplied into tower. From tower, it reaches our home with the help of grid. So we see how electricity reaches our houses. Thank you. I hope you liked my teaching skills. Bye. Have a nice day.
First of all, good morning to all of you, honorable principals, respected teacher, and my dear brothers and sisters.
Do you know about solar energy?
Yes,
Please explain me.
okay, I explain you. This is a DC motor, and this is a temporary fan. This is a solar panel. This is positive point, and this is negative point. These is wire, and this is switch. We are connect wires. So let's go. Our solar panel is ready. We have to connect all things required. Using solar energy does not cause any pollution. Is a good for environment. It is also easily available in a country like India. Solar power holds great promise to be the primary source electrical energy in the future.
Morning everyone, my name is Ahmed Yadav from grade 4th New Academy Sisaganj. Today I am going to explain how rainbow formed. Do you know how rainbow formed? No? Okay, I will tell how rainbow formed. Rainbow formed when the light from the sun and the raindrops interact with each other in a specific manner. It separates into 7 different colors. The different colors of rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These are the colors of rainbow. An easy order to remember the colors of rainbow in order, we called it Vibgyor. What is this? Vibgyor. Now you can see my project.
Please. This is my project. Do you like my project? Thank you.